Mayor Catherine Pugh has plans to revitalize the Park Heights neighborhood in West Baltimore.
All right, here you go. Today she unveiled the neighborhood investment plan for the community. It includes hundreds of millions of dollars in investments. One of the goals of the revitalization is to create quality, affordable housing and increase home ownership. More than 300 houses are going to be demolished, and officials are looking for developers to come to rebuild the neighborhood.
The fact that the neighbors and people have been in this community for decades, homeowners have been here for 40 years waiting for investment. I think we're long overdue in the Park Heights area.
All right, and the mayor's plan also includes a refurbished gateway to the community. I understand she wants to put a new entrance to get into Druid Hill. That has been my dream forever and ever, so that's good. 2 new schools are going to be opening in Park Heights as well, and they will also be open for the 2018-19 school year.